Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me doing my makeup using products that I received in PR. These are all brand new products. Whatever I don't have, I do have my regular makeup here just in case I'm missing, you know, one of the steps. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with my eyes today, and by the way, I wear contacts now, so I'm so excited because I can see everything without having to use glasses, you guys, and I'm so excited for that. So I'm going to show you quickly some palettes that I got. This is from Urban Decay, and these are the On the Run palette. So they did have these previously, a red one, a blue one, and a purple, and this one is the green and the orange. This one is called the G Train, and then this one is Highway Queen. But today I want to use this one right here, which is the Urban Decay Honey palette. And it comes with an eyeliner too. I already took that one out. I had already taken it out, but it did come with this eyeshadow primer. I thought it was an eyeliner. An eyeshadow primer. So it has some very pretty neutral tone colors. A lot of orangey, yellowy type of colors. I really want to use these that I got from Benefit. So a few concealers this month that I got new. These are the Benefit Boing. This is what I got from Purlisse. And they sent the Cleansing Milk, the Essential Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30. So I think I'm going to try that one today. And then a Polishing Peel Mask. And then the BB Cream. This little Angelica enjoys some of our best-selling products. We can't wait to hear your thoughts on them. So yeah, this was my very first box from Purlisse. So thank you, Purlisse. Anyways, I do need to moisturize my face, which is why I got the Purlisse products out. Because I want to put something on my face. I feel like it's like stretchy and stuff. So I'm going to use Daily Moisturizer. So it says it protects and moisturizes, absorbs easily with no white tint, perfect for under makeup. So I'm going to try this one. For primer, I got a new one from Covergirl. So I'm going to use this one today. It is a hydrating primer, and I do have dry skin. So I'm going to try this one out. Moisturizing primer. And it's blue. It's like blue on the bottom. They have a clear one, white. They have different ones. It does feel hydrating, and it's not like it doesn't have that silicone feeling like the pore fitting primers. I didn't expect it to, because it is just a hydrating primer. So I'm gonna try this one. This one is the Perfect Glow BB Cream, and this one also has SPF 30. So it's the first time that I'm gonna try this. Before I get started on this, I'm gonna do my eyes actually. I'm gonna try the Benefit Boing number 3. I've only tried Benefit Boing in the cream formula, never this liquid. It's really cute. The packaging is really cute. It's like a little eraser, a little pencil. This one says, cover more cakeless. This full coverage liquid concealer hides it all, from dark under eye circles to blemishes and discoloration, yet it feels lightweight and doesn't cake or crack. 24-hour long wear, waterproof. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the color Drip, which is a dark brown. I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid. So that is applying very, very smoothly. I like that. I've been loving wearing my makeup without having to worry about the glasses, like removing it from my nose. That's been great. I haven't worn contacts in years. I think it's been like 8 years. Or maybe more. Yeah, because I was like in 10th grade or something the last time I ever wore contacts. So that was a long time ago. And I'm gonna blend it out with a small little brush, and then I can wear sunglasses. I can wear anything pretty much, and just I can see at night. Okay, so then to blend that out a little bit more, I want to use this color right here because it looks super pretty. It's like a yellowy orange color. That one is called Keeper, and with that same brush I'm just gonna go over the edge. One of the main reasons why I got contacts is because like at school, doing hair, doing the mannequin, doing shampoo, like doing all that stuff, you know, I have to keep sliding up. I have to keep sliding my glasses up. But one of the main reasons is because of working out and the sweat, and just having to just keep pushing my glasses up my nose. Like regardless if I'm wearing makeup or not, the sweat, the oil from my face, it would just slide down, and it's so annoying. And then I also take some classes, and to see the instructor, like I can see, but it's very, very blurry, and then having to have the glasses there, you know what I mean. If you wear glasses, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Or doing any kind of movements, I don't have to worry about sliding my glasses sliding off. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit more of Drip, which is the same color that I have on my eyelid, and just go over that. And I have the same prescription on both eyes, which is pretty cool because I don't have to worry about, you know, oh, which contact goes on which eye. You know, it's just the same on both. So I'm going to take the darkest color in here, which is Sting, and it is just a dark brown. So I'm going to pack this on the lower part of the eyelid. So there, that looks really pretty. Oh my gosh, I haven't done my makeup like this in a long time. Take the color Amber, which is a gold, yellow gold, orange gold I mean, and just kind of put that on the center of the eye. Yeah, that looks so cute. Okay, so I went ahead and I put on my lashes. These are from the Lash Laboratory, and these are in the style Kendra. So I already put my moisturizer, my primer, all of that. And next is that new BB cream, and it's the Purlisse BB cream. I'm also going to contour and everything. So I'm going to use my beauty sponge to apply this. It seems pretty thick. I thought it was going to be kind of thin. Oh, it is kind of thin once you apply it. So, especially with the beauty blender, you know, because the beauty blender kind of shears it out a little bit. So it's not really covering up a lot of my redness. I can still see it. And what color is this? This is in the color medium. It doesn't have a scent like an SPF scent, like a sunscreen scent, but it does have SPF in it. So this one would be one that I'd probably wear to school, like for an everyday makeup look. So, and I broke out right here in the center of my eyebrows. They're like a bunch of little pimples. So what I'm going to do is just apply a little bit of this one. This one is the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made. I'm just going to apply this on top of it just to give me a little bit more coverage. And then today I'm going to use my contouring cream contouring product from Huda Beauty, which I have not used in forever. This one is the Tantour. I remember this one. I would always forget to apply it. And I remember, I mean, it wasn't that long ago, but like it would blend out like really, really easily. And I really do like this product. It's just that I haven't had a reason to use it, so I haven't used it. Yeah, still the same. Even though I haven't used it, it didn't dry up or anything. It's still like really easy to blend out. And then, oh, the concealer, I haven't applied that. Okay, so I'm gonna use the one that I just used for my eyelids, which is the Boing. I think this one's a good, okay, maybe it's a little bit light, right? So let me try number 4 and see how this one looks. Okay, so let me see. Okay, this one is really cool toned, so it looks like it's too grayish for me. Let me swatch. Do you see the difference between them? Like the little too grayish for me. Oh yeah, and then this one looks way warm for sure. So yeah, the color that would work best for me is gonna be number 3. Like, it is light, but it gives me that brightening effect. Powder today, I'm gonna use this new one from Covergirl. I love the Covergirl with the brown top. That one was my favorite. I still have a little bit of it, like just barely any. And it's in the color translucent. This one's also in the color translucent with this little puff. I'm gonna apply it with my, oh, that was a lot. Okay. So the holes are pretty good. Like, it lets the product come out. The product look a little bit dark, but no, it's good. It does have a little bit of shimmer to it. I think it has more though than the brown one that I use, because the brown one that I use, it's not completely matte. Like, it has a little bit of a shimmer to it, but this one seems like it has more around my nose, and I don't have to worry about it so much with my glasses, but you know, I still like to set that really good. And then on the rest of my face, I'm going to use that same powder, but just with the brush. So of course, I don't know how great it is throughout the day, but it doesn't look bad. Even though it has a little bit of shimmer to it, it still looks nice and smooth on my face. It's not like looking thick or cakey or anything like that, so that's good. Like I said, I'm still leaving the under eyes because I'm going to do my eyeshadow down there, so. Okay, so to begin on the lower lash line, I'm going to apply the color Keeper. Oh, that looks so pretty. I like that. It's not giving me any fallout either. And I love the glow on the center of the eyelid on top. I just really like the way that that looked. Alright, and then a tiny bit of the darkest color, which is the color Sting. And I'm going to give that, and I'm going to put that one a little closer to my lashes on the outer part of my eye, of my lower eye. So I'm going to use the Benefit Brightening Pencil. And this one is called the Roller Eye Bright Pencil. And then on my inner corner, I want a little bit of glow. So I'm going to apply the color Honey, which is the yellow gold in here. And I'm going to spray it with my Anastasia. Look, I'm almost out of it. Like, I really love this. I've been using this a bunch to set my makeup. And use this one on my inner corner. This is just a regular gold, but it's really pretty. Okay, so I also put my lower lash mascara as I was waiting for my camera to cool down. So I just used this one, and then I'm gonna remove the powder that I have underneath my eyes. I didn't take that off just in case I got a little bit of mascara under there. So then to contour a little bit, I'm gonna use the Lorac Mega Contour, or no, just Pro Contour Palette. This is really old, but love this. And I'm just gonna contour a little bit. This is like an old favorite. For blush, I have the Kylie one, which is just a very, very light pink. This one's called Crush. And then I actually do have a highlight from Covergirl that was new, so let me grab that one. So I have 3 of them here, but 2 of these won't match with my skin tone at all. The one that I'm going to use today is called Pearl Crush, and this one looks like it's going to work the best for me just because it's the lightest one, and if I do anything pink or anything too dark, it's going to look shadowy. So I'm just going to use my Anastasia brush there. Oh, that looks really pretty. I didn't think I was going to see it that much, but you can. Okay, I like this. That looks really nice. Okay, that looks really nice. It's really glowy though, so if you don't like a very, very glowy highlight, you know, this one's not for you. But this one is super intense. I really like the way that that looks, and it looks just like it looks in the pan. Like, it's perfect for my skin tone. It doesn't look shadowy at all. It just gives me that nice glow there. So before finishing off with the lips, I'm gonna use the Dewy Set from Anastasia and just spray that. So I'm gonna use this one, which is just a brown. It's kind of like a warm brown. This one's called Hot Butter Rum by Too Faced. It is one of the melted mattes, like the little minis. Okay, so I'm gonna go over the things that I used, what I thought, just a first impression, you know, because it's not like I've used these products a lot, first time using them. So the palette, you guys, I really, really like the colors that I chose and the colors that I used, and just like how they blended out together and everything. I used 5 shades, okay, so it's not like I've used the entire palette, I don't know. But with the look that I created right now, I think it came out really pretty. I love doing that, just applying a little bit on the eyelid, just give you a little bit of glow. And then that gold in the center, that one's pretty like common. You can get a gold like that in a lot of palettes. You can get a lot of these shades in a lot of palettes, but it is really pretty, so it worked out good. The formula does remind me of the Naked Cherry as well as the Naked Heat, so I can say that they're similar in the way that they blend out and all of that. And then what else did I use? The moisturizer that I used from Purlisse. I do like the way that that felt and the way that it feels now with my makeup on top. It doesn't feel like it dried out or anything. Like, it feels good, but I mean, of course I have to continue to use it and see how it works throughout the day. But like I said, it is the daily moisturizer and has SPF 30, and then the primer also is a moisturizing one, so it also felt good. It's not one of the pore filling ones. It doesn't have that slippery feel to it. It just feels kind of like you're applying a moisturizer. And then the BB cream is a very, very light coverage BB cream, okay? So don't expect it to give you a ton of coverage, especially if you have redness. I have redness around my nose, on my cheeks, and also on my breakout area now because it's like red, all the little spots, so it doesn't cover that up. It does a perfect glow, and I will say that it is very, very glowy. So it kind of looks just like my skin with a little bit of coverage, but with the glow to it. So I would wear this to school, just like an everyday type of, you know, if I'm like in a hurry or whatever. So I would wear this one. The foundation that I applied on top, I've already used this one. I really like it. So this one is just like a medium coverage, not a full coverage, not thick, anything like that. I really, you know, it's just one of those regular everyday also type of foundations. The concealer is good. I like it. It's light. The next one after that, which is number 4, is too ashy for me, and then the number 5, I feel like that one's a little bit too warm. So I think if I mix 5 and 3, it will be perfect. But let me just show you the swatches again. Number 3, like I said, it is light, but I do like it, especially for highlighting, and I think it's like a good color for me. Like, I like the highlighted look sometimes I don't, but if I mix 3 and 5, I think that's what's gonna work better for me. If I don't want like too much lightness, I kind of want like my skin tone color, I would mix 3 and 5. But this one is number 4, and you'll see it's like a very neutral tone. It's just a little bit too ashy for me. I don't know if you'll be able to tell the difference, but it does look very, very cool tone. If you swatch it at the store, you'll know what I mean. Actually now it's looking a little bit more pink, so I don't know, just keep in mind it's not like you can go from 3 and then 4 is slightly different. No, it's like a complete different undertone. And then 5 is a lot warmer. But like I said, I think it'd be perfect if I mixed those two on a day that I don't want like so much brightness, but it does give me a very full coverage look, and it's very light. Like, it's thin. It's not a thick layer of concealer or anything, but it does look good. The powder, however, I'm not sure about it. I have to use it again and just keep using it and see how it looks throughout the day and how it looks outside and how it looks and everything, because it does give me a lot of shimmer, which is not bad because it does give you a little bit of a glow, but you don't always want that. I feel like it's a little bit like the Laura Mercier Glow one. I love the translucent, the regular one. I don't have it here. But the glow one, I hated that one. Not hate. But I just didn't like it. I just felt like it was too much shimmer, too much glitter. And this one is not as much, but it's kind of like that same effect, like that glow. I don't know why though. It's not even called glow or anything. It's just called loose mineral powder. But yeah, it does have a little bit of a sheen. Not a sheen, a little bit of a glow to it, like a shimmer to it. So I have to just wear it, see how it looks outside and everything. I don't know about it yet. I'll tell you next time, but for sure, what I do love the glow of is the highlights. So, like I said, I used the Pearl Crush one. Let me swatch right here. Oh, it's so smooth, like super smooth. So that's the one that I have on my cheeks. You can barely see that, right? It's very light. Really soft. You see how it's like kind of crumbling? But just a little bit with your brush, you know, I used, you know, what did I say? You know, I just used my brush like barely and just applied it, and it was like enough. It was like more than enough. Alrighty guys, so that is everything for today's video. I hope you like this type of style of me doing my makeup while using some of the new products that I got in PR. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.